How long does it take to open an Ally account? Intro. Have you ever wondered how long it takes to open an Ally account? I mean, we've all been there, staring at the screen, waiting for the dreaded processing message to disappear. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the Ally account opening process, from start to finish. We'll cover everything from the initial sign-up to the moment you're ready to start banking. So, sit back, relax, and let's find out just how long it really takes to become an Ally customer. Main content. 1. The sign-up process. The first step in opening an Ally account is, of course, the sign-up process. This usually involves providing some basic information about yourself, such as your name, address, and social security number. But how long does this actually take? Well, it's pretty straightforward. Most people can complete the sign-up process in under 10 minutes. However, if you're new to online banking or need to verify your identity, it might take a bit longer. 2. Identity verification. Speaking of identity verification, this is a crucial step in the Ally account opening process. To ensure the security of your funds, Ally needs to confirm that you are who you say you are. This can be done in a few ways. Instant verification. If you have a driver's license or passport with an embedded chip, you can often verify your identity instantly using a smartphone app. Document upload. If you don't have a chip-enabled ID, you'll need to upload copies of your identification documents, such as a driver's license and social security card. This process can take a few minutes to complete. 3. Funding your account. Once you've verified your identity, the next step is to fund your Ally account. This can be done in a few ways. Electronic transfer. You can transfer funds from another bank account directly to your Ally account. This usually takes a few business days to complete. Check deposit. You can deposit a check by taking a picture of it with your smartphone. This can be done instantly, but it may take a few days for the funds to become available. Cash deposit. You can deposit cash at an Ally bank branch. However, Ally doesn't have many branches, so this option may not be available to everyone. 4. Waiting for approval. After you've funded your account, you'll need to wait for Ally to approve your application. This usually takes a few business days, but it can sometimes take longer. 5. Activating your account. Once your account is approved, you'll need to activate it. This is a simple process that can be done online or over the phone. 6. Exploring Ally's features. Now that your account is open, it's time to explore all the features that Ally has to offer. From high-yield savings accounts to investment options, there's something for everyone. 7. Factors affecting account opening time. The length of time it takes to open an Ally account can vary depending on a few factors. Identity verification. As we mentioned earlier, verifying your identity can take longer if you don't have a chip-enabled ID. Funding method. Electronic transfers typically take longer than check deposits or cash deposits. Ally's processing time. Ally's processing times can vary depending on the volume of applications they're receiving. Conclusion. So, how long does it really take to open an Ally account? Well, the answer is, it depends. In most cases, you can expect to have your account open and ready to use within a week or two. However, if you encounter any delays during the identity verification or funding process, it could take longer. With that said, Ally's account opening process is generally straightforward and easy to follow. If you're looking for a high-yield savings account or other banking products, Ally is definitely worth considering. Outro. So, there you have it. That's everything you need to know about opening an Ally account. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.